Hello everyone, welcome to SQL problem solving series. So we have a very interesting problem here. Please watch this video till the very end and you will be learning a lot of different concepts. I'll be solving this particular complex problem. Why I'm telling complex? Because this contain a lot of many steps onto calculation and certain statistical function also here, which you can see into your screen, which is the Manhattan distance. Now please don't run away just hearing this particular term. This is a very simple term and I'll be telling you the formula and everything about this particular term into this video. Let us quickly move to the question. So the question says consider P1 and P2 to be 2 points. So P1 is having coordinates A and B. So A is the X coordinate, B is the Y coordinate, and similarly for P2, C is the X coordinate and D is the Y coordinate. So these are the 2 points on a 2D plane. So what is A? A is the minimum value in the northern latitude, B is the minimum value in the western longitude, C is the maximum value in the northern latitude, and D is the maximum value in the western longitude. Now we need to query the Manhattan distance. Now, please don't feel like this is a very complex term. I would just open this link which they have provided into the question and you would be surprised to see it is a very simple term. So what is Manhattan distance? So in a plane with P1 at x1 y1 and P2 at x2 y2, so Manhattan distance is simply x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2. It is that simple. So you can see just need to calculate the sum which is present here and our purpose will be solved. So before that we need to get these x1 and y1 values. In other terms, into this question we need to get this a b c d values. So let us try to get all these values which are present here. So we'll go into a sequence. So what is A? So A is the minimum value into the northern latitude. So what is the northern latitude column name? So it is this one and this is A. Similarly, what is B? So B is the minimum value into the western longitude. So this is B. What is C? So C happens to be the maximum value in northern latitude. So maximum value in northern latitude, and this is happens to be C. And similarly, what is D? So D is the maximum value in the western longitude. Okay, so this is D. So I'll just write this, and first of all we'll see how does this value looks like, and then from then we'll be going on to calculate the answers or the Manhattan distance which they have told into the question. So I would hit the run code button and we'll be getting to see all these values which are present here. So we have got our values here. So we have got our a b c and d value. Now from the formula, if you see, so we need to subtract the x coordinates and y coordinates, and to this case we need to subtract c minus a and d minus b, and we need to add all those values here. So first of all I would be subtracting c from a. So this is our c, so I would just cut this out and I'll be bringing this particular thing here. Really, I would cut the d value from here and paste it here, and I would try to get the answer from here. So this should be added up. I will remove all these unnecessary values here, and both of these are separate kind of values. So the very first, you can see this is c minus a, or in Manhattan terms distance, this is x1 minus x2. This, and the other side you can see this is y1 minus y2 into the Manhattan terms, or in these problem terms it is d minus b. We've got our formula here, our final formula, but into the question they have said we need to scale our values to, or our answer to, a 4 decimal place number. So I would use the round function here and I would round my answer to 4 decimal places. I would hit the run code button. I've just round completed the entire question into a single line, and you see we have got our correct answer here. Friends, I hope you had found this video quite interesting. So if you had found this video useful, do like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.